Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me. I'm going to be doing my hair, makeup and outfit. It was a bit chaotic just because I haven't recorded in a long time, so I do apologise. But hopefully you like this video. If you do, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, comment, whatever, all that jazz. And any recommendations for videos, just because I'm getting back into recording, would be amazing. Thank you for watching. You're going to have to mind my mirror because I need to see, and the way I'm set up, it's a bit difficult. My lace is showing, but the way my hairstyle is, you won't be able to see it. So I'm going to be priming my face using the Revolution Conceal and Fix. I'm literally just waiting until it finishes before I can purchase a new primer, because this wasn't really for me. Someone recommended it and it just doesn't work for my skin. Someone else said it was really good for them, but for me personally, just doesn't work. It doesn't last, if I'm honest. So if you have any recommendations for primers, that would be perfect, because I've not really found a primer that really works for me, but that's okay. My skin is going through it just because it's that time of the month, but hopefully a bit of foundation will cover that mess up. So for foundation, I'm going to be using my NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation. This one is in the shade, I can't tell you. I don't know the shade, but it's almost done. So I'm gonna get a top up. What I'm trying to do is not buy products until they're finished, just because it's not necessary. I used to like buy tons of stuff and then never use it, and it will just waste. And I'm just in that period of my life where I'm not going to be wasting money on stuff when I don't need it. So I'm very much gonna buy things only when it runs out, when it comes to makeup anyway. But I think I've actually been quite good when it comes to like buying clothes. I've not been buying a lot of stuff anymore, just because it's just a waste and I end up not wearing it. And since I've not been like posting videos, I've not actually been buying stuff. And I think before I was just purchasing things just to post a video on YouTube, and I'm just like, no, I'm not doing that. If I bought it, I'll show you guys. I'm not going to buy it just to upload a video. It's not happening. So this is the foundation. I think this foundation is getting a little bit too old because the colours, I don't know how the colour's showing up, but I think it's just, I don't know, I might be just trying a little bit of rubbish. But yeah, it's quite nice. So I'm going to be going out with my boyfriend today, because where he's from, they tend to celebrate Christmas on Christmas Eve. So we're going to be going out together and just celebrating it today, and also he will then come over to mine tomorrow to celebrate it, which is nice. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Hourglass concealer. I don't know what the specific name is, but it's in the shade Umber. Really like this concealer. It's quite creamy, and it's been my go-to, and once again, it's the only one I've been using. So like for when I've got like full glam, I use this. And it's just so good, and it's been I've had it for quite some time actually. I would say I bought it in the summertime, I think, and it's lasted me pretty well. But if I'm honest with you, I've actually reduced the amount of makeup I've been wearing. So when I go to work, you will not catch me wearing foundation. I'll probably wear a little bit of concealer and a little bit of powder, and then that's it. And then only when I'm going out will I put on like a full face of makeup. So before, I used to kind of wear a full face of makeup every single day, and it's just not good for your skin. And I've actually got I've been prescribed this moisturizer by my GP, just because I noticed my skin was really bad. This year it's been really bad, so that's one of the reasons why I've not been wearing makeup too much. And now that my skin is kind of clearing up from what it used to be, I don't want to kind of like take the mick and wear those on makeup. I've lost a bit of my melanin, and so I'm just going to add some contour. So I'm using the Huda Beauty Tantour contour and bronzing cream in the shade Tan. I'm literally using a tiny bit just so that I can darken up my face a little bit, just because I feel like I've lightened my skin a bit too much with this concealer. One thing I need to do is I really want to get like a concealer that is just a tad bit brighter, because I feel like I just wear concealer that is too bright, so it then just ruins my makeup. Like, yeah, I don't know. I'm now going to set my face using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder in the shade Kunafa. This is the only powder I use to set my under eye, to be honest with you. Don't use anything else, just because I've tried a few other ones and they just make my face really cakey. And the Huda Beauty one doesn't do that. So for powder, I'm going to be using my favourite powder. It's the Chanel, I'm actually learning French and I should know how to pronounce this, but I can't. Poudre Universelle Libre powder, and this is the shade 121. Love this powder. It's my absolute favourite. I've had this since the summertime and it goes a long way. I think it's around like 45–50 pounds, but it's a massive container, so you're getting your money's worth. But I really like it. I'm making my face really matte just because I have oily skin, and by the time I go and get dressed, my face is going to be quite she's going to start getting a bit shiny, so I powder it up. I actually wanted to get this in a lighter shade just to use for my under eye, and I don't know whether or not the shop I went to didn't have enough shades, but I haven't found one yet. But if I do find like just a tad bit lighter that I can use under my under eye, I will, because it's just perfect. Love this powder. I actually have their foundation, which I don't know why I didn't use it, and that foundation is really good as well. So if you want to try some new makeup, definitely try the Chanel range, it's really good. So I'm going to bronze now using my Fenty Sunstalker in Mocha Mummy. Not going to do too much just because I don't want my makeup to be too heavy. And I don't actually know if this actually even shows up on my face, but I'm still going to use it anyway. I'm actually going to go in now with a bit more for my under eye. I'm going to be using the Easy Bake and Snatch by Huda Beauty. The shade has run off, but I think it's definitely Kunafa. Got a bit of fluff on my face. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. You can see how much of this I use. I've hit pan, but it's really good. And I'm just gonna use it to brush off any. I'm gonna go in with this palette. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills collab with Jacket Eyeliner. I know it's old, but I don't care. I'm gonna be using it. I'm gonna go in with the Sage Soleil. Is it Soleil? And I'm just gonna put a little bit in the corner of my eye, just to give me a bit of something. You probably can't even see that, but it's for my own satisfaction. My trust issues. So I want to finish the rest of my makeup, but I kind of need to take out this to finish it off. So I use like a mixture of small and big rollers, and I use the smaller ones at the back just because it's shorter at the back. And with the bigger rollers, I'm not gonna get much definition. You ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day. I like to run the streets, it's dark out and come home, blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No. 24 hours. Just gonna use this hot airbrush. Lately I've been thinking about you as real as they come. But you would rather be on them drugs. I would rather hang with my thugs. Fuck when you been draining me out. You know that, you know that well. When I throw that, better kiss it before. I've not had a short hair, like a shorter length hairstyle in a while, so I don't know how to style this, and it's annoying me. I can't lie to you. The front is giving too flat. I I lost a bow on this clip, so it's really sad. The thing is, I'm doing this to the top of my head, but my outfit is, I'm wearing a hat, so defies the purpose. But I just wanted the ends to be a bit more blowout-y, and it was just looking a bit too weird the way I curled it. But I think I've sorted it out. That hand dryer is so good. I got it from Lidl for like £14. Really good. Oh no, I'm putting spray in my bag. So I'm just gonna sort out my lips, as I was planning to do so in the beginning before my hair humbled me. Stop looking for a reason to hate me. Just hate me. Nobody's living, you know. When it comes to lip pencil, I literally use the ones from the hair store, just because I've bought some ones, like branded ones, and they're just too light. I'm a dark skin girl and I need it dark. I want a dark brown, not a black, I want a dark brown. Oh, that's looking cute. I was looking at myself before and I thought, nah, that hair is not looking nice, but it's looking better now. And I think the lips are gonna run it together. This is your chance. That's better. I kind of feel like I want a bit of black in the corners. Yeah, that's cute. And then for lips, I actually got a mate of mine got me like a little Ted Baker gift set, and it came with this cute pink lip gloss. So obviously it doesn't have a shade, but I'm using it sparingly because I'm like, am I ever going to be able to get this again? Because I know Ted Baker's like closed a lot of their stores, but it's such a cute pink. So I'm going to put the pink in the middle. It's very in your face, just, yeah. It looks a bit crazy for now, but I will make it work. And then after, I go in with the Hot Chocolate by Fenty Beauty and just blend out the pink because it's looking a bit crazy. I'm just gonna go in with some eyeliner to just put back in some beauty marks. A bit too big, but I'm hoping that my skin doesn't look too bright, because sometimes I record a video and I don't post it because my makeup just isn't giving. And then finally, I'm just gonna go in with some blush. I'm gonna go in with my Dior Backstage blush in Rosy Glow. I kind of need to get a new shade because I'm kind of bored of this pink, if I'm honest. Kind of would like either like an orange or like a red blush. I know before I never used to really like this blush because I never felt like it showed up, but after I got past the bit where it was like a Dior print, I feel like it shows up on my face. I can see it. Put it on my nose. Okay, I'm happy now. I was getting ready to scrap this video because I was like, Naomi, you look like trash, but I like it. So I would put on a setting spray, but mine's run out, so there's no setting spray. But I'm going to just tidy up a bit of this mess that I've got beneath me, and then I'm going to show you guys my outfit. Okay, so I'm back. My camera actually died, so I had to have a little bit of a tea break whilst it charged. So for outfit, I actually want to be a bit quite cozy, you know, because it's quite cold outside. So hopefully this outfit goes together, because I haven't actually tried it together. So I purchased this jumper from Asda because I really wanted like an oversized cable knit jumper. They only had it in a size medium, but it's perfect for me because I want it oversized. This was, I think it was labelled like £14, but it actually was cheaper when I scanned it. And I'm going to pair it with this skirt I got from Primark. It's a cute little mini pleated skirt. Hopefully that looks cute together. For accessories, I've got some tights from Ego, and I've then got this fluffy hat. I'm really excited for this. This fluffy hat and matching gloves from Primark as well. So I'm going to try them on now, and hopefully it looks cute. Just love. These are very fragile, guys, just to warn you, I'm scared. This skirt is a little bit big. I got it in a size 10, but I think it's better than it being too small. Right, so now I'm just gonna put on this hat. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, love it. I absolutely love it. I think it's adorable. I think it's adorable. Such a cute outfit. Let me just try and hug you with the gloves and bring you down. Okay. Are you joking me? This is so cute. Bag wise, I'm just gonna wear my little LV. Excuse me, just eating up my. Right guys, so this is the outfit. Shoe wise, I'm just gonna go, I was gonna wear some Versace heels, but I think it's gonna be a bit too much. I'm gonna wear these boots, and I'm just loving the whole brown, you know, the brown tones. Goes with my hair, it being like burgundy. So let me just put these boots on. So I've got my full fit on now. So I'm wearing these boots and they look perfect. I'm really sorry I can't show you guys. I've not dressed up this cute in a while, and I'm just feeling adorable. But anyway guys, really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to put my gloves on because it's crazy. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. That would be amazing. Really sorry it was chaotic just because it's the first time in a while that I've recorded a video. But I hope you like the outfit. See you later.